Hey, Uptown Swing, Charleston. You never know it, but it is Charleston. Peter. Maddie like a brace. All right, so we're going to do everything we did. This is kind of the whole month, and we just worked on putting it all together and making it a little bit better partnering. So, a basic. Perhaps you've heard of it. Then we did a skip up. Boom, bam. Hey, from here we did kickaways. Bop, bop, double kick. We got double kick, single, double kick, and we're done. Last thing we did is just move around like this if you want. Little points that we worked on today that make things a lot better. Not kicking like a chorus line. It doesn't work. Try not to do that. We did kick here. Bop, bop, bop. And we practice just turning. Same thing on the other foot. Bop, bop, bop. Then we try single kicks. Pick, hook, pick, hop. Turn both ways. Once you're good at that, Maddie to me. Then these kickaways get a lot easier. So, hey, hop, hop. We're going for it every time. Really try to turn. When the leader lets go, we really turn a lot and we come all the way through to catch each other again. That's it. Great hustle, everybody. You did great.